Hi, this is Steve Watson with Steve's Earth Engine, the Cedar Composter Company. And today I wanted to go backwards and say that our pumpkin patch that has grown out of our composter has now shriveled. We weren't looking when it made its advance, tumbled out of the composter, but now we have a vine that has yielded 3 wonderful pumpkins. They're ripening and we'll get a look at those. And I'm going to be walking over. Take a look. Amazing what compost does when it gets going. Here's a good look at the inception. And yes, we could have gone a little farther with keeping up on our composter, but anyway, it's late fall here in Minnesota, and 3 big pumpkins are probably going to end up with one of the grandkids.
3 of the grandkids.
3 of the grandkids, yes. Anyway, I am going to change the subject right now. Still, we're talking about recycling, and I wanted to show you something that has been on my mind for a long time, which is the plastic bags that seem to be moving closer and closer and finally into the ocean. So I've got a technique that I want to share with you that takes care of them and actually delivers them back to some of the grocery stores that we have nearby. So we're going to come over here to the table and I'm going to show you a couple things. Here's one bag that was originally oats, and the oats were eaten, and then I did see that it's a bag that has to be collapsed, so I did that. And then I'm going to add it to the pile. My pile also has a nice fat brick on it so that it can stay as flat as possible. No air should be part of this project. And I put all the plastic bags in one direction so that the air is facing away from me. And now I'm going to roll them up and put them in a bag. And this will just take a few moments. So here we go. Nice and tight. Air not allowed. Let's see what happens. And in the process, I have a bag that's ready right here. I'll unwind that. Thank you. Let's rewind this a little bit. But I'll slide them in here. And if I can get it into one bag, as I've done here, and then squeeze it once again to get more air out, I'm going to end up with a nice twisted parcel here. And just to show you how it finishes off, this was about 50 bags that were a little more homogeneous, you know, they were similar, and it came down to that size. So this one's going to be a little bigger with all the diversity of bags, but it's going back to a processor via our supermarket. So thank you very much for keeping an eye on that. And by the way, I've got a mask. Would you like to hold this for a second? I've got a mask, and I'm just encouraging you. A good doctor friend of mine said, hey, wear your mask when needed. So it goes over the head, the ears, and we're all set there. I'm on my way. Thank you very much for listening. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.